This is for Year 12 Specialist. It comes out of Heffernan 2016 Exam 2 1D. So have to look a little bit at the earlier part of the question. We have this inverse of this arctan, so tan, the inverse tan function, and we've had to graph both the function and its inverse. So if we're on my calculator, I've got my function, I've replaced x and y and I've solved for y and I've graphed them both. And I can see that it intersects at 0, 0, 1, 1 and 2, 2. So when I'm drawing my graph here, I'm going to have a version of this. And then it tells me, given the inverse equals this, well, this is my inverse. So I should be able to answer A, B and C pretty easily straight from the calculator. And then part D. Given that I go from 0 to 1, so I'm going from 0 to 1, the inverse, and the inverse is the red one, I believe. Let's just double check that. Yep, the inverse is the pink one, which is the top one. And I know that A represents the area enclosed by the graph of F and the inverse. So A is all of this and all of this. So it's all of this and all of this. So if I was to bring up the question, then I know that this here would be a quarter of everything. So if that is A on 4, then I want g of x to be the line which is y equals x, therefore g of x has to equal x. For this to be a quarter of all of the area that represents the area trapped between F and its inverse.